Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ozrod VJ. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of deleting your Facebook account on a PC or laptop in 2023. If you're looking to free yourself from the world of social media, this tutorial is for you. Alright, let's get started on how to delete your Facebook account. Now, let's infuse some of the creative energy from our dynamic video to guide you through the process with a dash of excitement. Step 1, my friends, you log in to your Facebook account. Once you're in, swing over to the upper right corner, find the little down arrow, and tada, you'll spot the Settings Privacy menu. Click on it like you're unveiling a treasure map. Step 2, click on a Settings, and then tap into your Facebook information. You're on a roll. Now, step 3, the exciting part. Click on a deactivation and deletion. But hey, don't get too hasty. Facebook will try to let you into the deactivation pit first. We're talking about the real deal. Account deletion. In step 4, choose permanently delete account. It's like deciding to take a digital detox. Once you've made up your mind, hit continue. Step 5, brace yourself. It's time to confirm. Make sure you've backed up all your cat memes, memorable moments, and important messages. When you're ready, click that final deleted account button. It's like sending off a virtual message in a bottle. And just like that, you've done it. Your Facebook account is on its way to the digital archives. Now, remember, this process might take a bit of time to complete, so don't be surprised if you're not disconnected instantly. As we wrap up, remember that the end of a video is just as important as the beginning. We want you to leave feeling empowered and informed. That's all for today's tutorial on how to delete your Facebook account on a PC or laptop in 2023. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thank you for joining us today at Ozrod VJ. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered. Let's keep the conversation going. We'll see you in the next tutorial.